How to send money on Monzo. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can send money on Monzo, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to basically send money on Monzo, it's actually quite very simple. But for this, first of all, make sure you download the Monzo banking app and then go ahead and then launch it like this. And once you launch the Monzo banking app, here you'll find two options, either if you are new to Monzo or if you already have an account. Now, in order to send money on Monzo, you need to make sure you already have an account. So assuming you have an account, you can tap on I already have an account option. Make sure to enter the email address that was associated with your Monzo account and then just tap the next option and log into your account. And when you receive the email, you can open the email app by tapping on the open email app option here. Check if you received the email from Monzo here. Tap on the login to Monzo app option, and after you log in, you should be able to enter your details, and then from there onwards you can simply begin the process of making and sending money on Monzo. This way you will be able to send money on Monzo. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.